Hello, I am Dylan. You are
Zach.
and you are
Cooper.
Zach. What are you doing?
I am doing the history of earthquakes.
And what are you doing?
The measurement and famous scientists of earthquake.
So I'm here to tell you about the science and scientists behind earthquakes. To start off, earthquakes are caused by shifting the Earth's crust. When two massive chunks of land hit each other, or when a sudden rupture happens, that causes an earthquake. Now, earthquakes are measured very specifically and exactly. They are graphed and calculated using a device called the Richter scale. Developed by Charles Richter, the Richter scale takes in the vibrations of the earthquake under the Earth's surface. Then, it takes the vibration and scales them on a base 10 logarithmic scale. What that means is that it judges how big the earthquake was and puts it on a scale of 1 to 10. The only difference between the numbers is very great. For instance, a 5.0 on the Richter scale is 31.6 times larger than a 4.0. Now that you know how massive earthquakes can be, I'll tell you about one famous event. The earthquake in Chile in 1960 had a magnitude of 9.5. That is strong enough to take down whole buildings. Also, because Chile is on the edge of South America, this caused huge waves to go across the ocean and across the seas as a tsunami. Over 6,000 people died from earthquakes and tsunamis. Now that you've heard from me, here's Zach for some history.
I am doing the history of earthquakes. In 1906, there was an earthquake recorded in San Francisco. It was a 7.8 on the Richter scale. It was, it was a decent-sized earthquake for that time. There was an earthquake in Chile. It was the largest one since the 1900s. It was registered at a 9.5 on the Richter scale. And then the earthquake and tsunami in Japan was registered at a 9.0. Again, this was a pretty big-sized earthquake for our time.